Hey there, Foldabots builder. This is your Lutabots assembly guide. All you need are scissors and glue to build Xi-takk. So once you've cut out all the parts of Xi-takk from the toy card, fold along all those broken lines. So as you can see, it pays a lot if you go along those broken lines to make a nice rectangular prism for its body. So doing the back part here and just a little bit for the feet. So note how some of these are folding outward and some of them are folding inward. So use some glue using the Foldabot applicator that you cut out from the practice parts and glue that in place. It takes a few seconds for the glue to set, so you must have a little patience when you're holding things out like this so they can stay. Now let's go for the roof. So it might get a little tricky because the roof has 4 little triangles that stick to itself to form this upper part of the car. So just put glue on those little tabs like so. Just make sure you get it in there, and the Foldabots glue applicator is going to help really well in getting into those little spaces. Now here's a trick on how to do this well. Just hold on to 2 sides first instead of doing all 4 at the same time. Hold it and not yet ready. So once you hold it for a few seconds, maybe even less than a minute, it's gonna stay. So just do the same thing on the other side. Right there. And just a little bit more. And anytime now, it's ready. Next, we're gonna do the signage for the taxi. So it folds out this way like a letter A. And once it's nice and shaped like this, add glue to the bottom parts of those flaps so you can stick it on the top part of the roof. Make sure you cover those 2 light blue rectangles that serve as a guide for you to put it right on center. So next, put glue on the tabs, on the regions here on the car body so you know where the roof goes. Make sure you're putting the front part in the right direction, and you'll notice that the front part has a little bit of a darker area on top like this. And it's also a little bit more slanted than the back part of the roof. So it helps if you put your finger inside the car body so you can push it upward as you're pushing down on the roof from above, like so. I'm using my thumbs to push the roof down and my 4 fingers to push the rest of the body up. Okay, now that's done, we're gonna do the 4 tires. So put glue on those 4 regions labeled T1 to T4 and just attach any of the tires in those areas like so. There we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Don't worry, those tires are interchangeable, so don't worry about any of their tire numbers. With that done, we're gonna do the arms. Now the arms just need to be folded this way, and you're gonna put glue on the opposite side of the colored tabs. That's because when we hook them up on Xi-takk's shoulders, make sure the left arm is on the robot's left, not your left, and the right arm goes on his right, and we're done. So that's what the robot form looks like, and he has this toxic lutant sword that goes right onto his right hand. That's why there's a slit. So there we go. I like curving the arm like this so it looks more natural. And let's give it a spin. This is Xi-takk in car mode. So I just put in the arms inside the hood and tucked in the feet. And this is his robot mode where he can hold his maximum lutant sword. So there we go. That's Xi-takk. Thanks for watching.